Hey guys, we're doing a little bit more division today. I actually want to go over this page from yesterday with the division question. So I'm going to go over all these and show you what you did right and what you got to work on. Okay. So interpretation round 2. Here we go. All right. So it was 364 library books, right? And we put them into 5 equal piles. And they said, how many are going to be in each pile, right? All right, so let's divide it. Oh, by the way, you got to show me how you do it, right? So you got to make some boxes. How many boxes? Well, 3 digits, 3 boxes, 364 divided by 5. 5 doesn't go into 3, does it? So we'll put a 0 above, 0 below, subtract to get 3. 3 is good, it's less than 5, bring it up here. How many times does 5 go into 36? 7 times, you got it. Times it to get 35, subtract to get 1. 1's less than 5, bring it up here. Count by 5s up to 14, 5, 10 is 2. Subtract to get 4. Remainder of 4. Now here's the problem. You have an answer, right? But I don't think that the number of books in a pile is 72R4, right? I've never heard of that many books. So you have to think, what part of this is my answer? Well, they wanted to know how many were in the pile, not how many were left over, right? So the answer is going to be 72 books. Make sure you throw that books on there, okay? That's the part of the answer you want, all right? Not the remainder. Change up a marker, okay? So when you guys do that today, just circle your answer so I know what part you're gonna go with, okay? And jot it down for me. All right, let's do number 2. My man Braden had 231 pieces of candy, and he put his into 6 piles, so he's dividing them. But they wanted to know how many pieces are gonna be left over, okay? So now they might want a different part of the answer. All right, so 231, I've got 3 boxes, because I have a 3-digit number, 231 divided by 6. Does 6 go into 2? No, it does not. So I get a 0 here, 0 here, subtract. I got 2, 2's less than 6, I'm gonna bring it up. Count by 6 is up to 23. 6, 12, 18. Better stop there. 6 times 3 was 18, subtract to get 5. 5's good because it's less than 6. Now I bring it up. Count by 6s to 51. Well, I got 8 times, because that's 48. If I subtract, I get 3. That's my remainder. So I think he's going to have 6 piles of 38 candies, right? But doesn't that mean he's going to have 3 candies left over? Should I write R3? Well, I don't think anybody ever said gave me R3 pieces of candy, right? I think you just say, how about 3 pieces of candy, please? So 3 pieces or 3 candies, but that is the answer that you're looking for, okay? So it wasn't the quotient, it was the remainder, all right? 2 more from yesterday. 842 cupcakes. We gave them out to 9 classes. How many does each class get, right? All right, 3 digits, 3 boxes, 842 divided by 9. 9 doesn't go into 8. I got a 0 here, 0 here, subtract. It's 8. 8's less than 9, that's good. Bring it up. I know that 9 times 9 is 81. So when I subtract, I get 3. Bring my 3 up. I can count by 9s. 9, 18, 27. 3 times. I've got 27 there. Subtract to get 5. Now remember, the answer is not always the answer. Do they want to know how many cupcakes are left over? No, they don't want that. They want to know how many cupcakes does each class get. So I got to put my number here, and I got to label it. Okay? That's the answer that we want, the quotient, not the remainder. Okay, last one from yesterday. This one's a little bit of a curveball, all right? We're going on a trip. We got 33 people to take, and you can put 9 people in a van, right? How many vans do we need for the trip, okay? All right, so I got my 33, 2 digits. I got my 9. 9 doesn't go into 3. 0 above, 0 below. We got a 3 here, 3 here. Hey, I'm back to 33 divided by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36. Well, that's too many. You better go back to 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract to get 6. That's a good remainder because it's less than 9. Now here's the tricky part. I know my remainder is 6. If I called up a van company and I said, give me 3 R6 vans, do you think they'd know what I'm talking about? I don't think so. We need to give them a number, right? How many vans do we need? Well, let's just get 3 vans, right? Sounds good to me. Well, hold on. Wouldn't 3 vans hold 9, 18, 27 kids? I thought we were taking 33 people. So if we had 3 vans, 6 people would be left behind, right? So this is one of those times where the answer is definitely not the answer. We need 3 vans, but don't these people need a van as well? So we need 3 here, we need 1 more here. Got it? When you're doing this today, make sure you show me your boxes. Make sure you have an answer line and put your answer on the line. The answer is not always the answer. You got to find the part of the answer that answers the question that they're asking. Okay? All right. Good work yesterday. Go get them today.